Okay, I'm going to trace this Schlage key here. Notice we have how we have the adapter in the jaw sitting flat right along here. Make sure that's completely flat on the jaw. You'll notice that you see most of the screw up here hanging out. You've got the edge hanging off a little bit off the front of the jaw. You've got the front part there up against right there. Here you have the key for the Schlage on the shoulder stop. So we have a shoulder stop there. And we have it up on the first step there. You can kind of see where that is on that first step, which kind of makes it look like it's being clamped along this edge. So that's how it's supposed to be clamped. And here in the software, we have the key selected. And also, whenever you're using the standard tracing adapter, you need to make sure that you have your Jaw 1 tracer calibrated, and that for the Jaw 2 tracer, under the Jaw 2 tracer calibration X1, you've got 600, 60 for calibration Y2, calibration Z1 is 25, calibration X2 is -400, calibration Y2 is 800. If you have to change any of these, just change the number to whatever and then hit master update, and then it'll take a few seconds. You'll press OK and then file exit. And if you have to, go select the key again. This is key number 19 in our system, so I'm just taking a shortcut here. But you can also go to type manufacturer, type in Schlage here. So let's hit trace single. Here we go. Now the important thing to watch is to make sure that the tracer tip is hitting in the spaces properly. That's the biggest thing to look for. So first it touches down in the back, up against, hits the back of the key, goes over the key. So it's just important for the spaces to be hitting properly. Okay, that looked good, but we'll do it again. So we hit solidly in the spaces. So that's really just the biggest thing. You want your tracer tip to be hitting in the spaces of the key properly, in the flat widths. If it hits on one of these angles, then it'll read wrong. If it is hitting on angles, then you'll want to loosen your key and adjust the key up or down a little bit until you're reading in the spaces. Also, in the software, you'll notice at the bottom right hand corner is the trace data. If we look at the bottom of that, you'll see what was read in thousandths of an inch. So a 6 is supposed to be 245, so it did read that. The 6 up here is 247, so key was just a little bit angled in there, or something was angled about the tracing, but still very good. And 2 off isn't bad at all. Still got us the 6 that we're looking for. So yeah, this traced very well. All right, thanks. Bye.